Hi children, welcome to the third module. So we are discussing about the important food crops. Earlier we discussed about sugarcane, and now let us proceed with the second food crop, that is oil seeds. Okay, in and you should know that in 2014 or 2014, our country was the second largest producer of groundnut in the world. We were chasing China. Okay, and earlier also I reminded you about the examples of oil seeds. We have groundnut is there, coconut is there, sesamum, that is till, or what you say in Malayalam, nallana, that soya bean is there, linseed, sunflower. These are the examples of oil seeds, which is also considered as a food crop. Then tea, you know that it is considered as a plantation crop or plantation agriculture. It is also another example of beverage crops. It is requiring both tropical and subtropical climate is needed. Not only that, tea is also considered as labor intensive industry, and no doubt, there are so many specialities about 2014. In 2014, India was considered as the second largest producer of tea also. In and We were after China. India was the second largest producer of tea. Then next beverage crop, and also a food crop, that is coffee. This coffee, in the year 2014, we had manufactured, India had manufactured 3.5% of the total world coffee production. So you see how important the year 2014 is. Okay, so we are discussing about, or we are taking the lesson forward by discussing about the important food crops. We discussed about sugarcane, oil seeds, tea, and coffee. Clear this part? Okay, now I wish to give you another work which will be considered as subject enrichment. I want you to take A4 size paper. In that, you have to draw a map of India. You have to draw it, or you can very well trace it, and you have to draw the different states. Just like you can see this map here, different states have been marked as 1, 2, 3, 4. So you also have to do the same. And then in the next page, you will have to go about writing the numbers of the state. It depends. Suppose if you are giving 14 to West Bengal, you write 14. Then you have to specify the major crop that is grown in that particular state. Okay, so the major crops that are grown in different states of our country have to be marked in your A4 size paper. You have to use attractive colors in order to make the map of India very rich and attractive, and marks will be given for this. It will be considered as subject enrichment marks. Okay, I hope what I discussed with you earlier also is clear. Okay, thanks a lot.